In this video, we'll look at the t-shift in Laplace transform. Just to quickly recap, in the last video, we discussed the s-shift. In the s-shift, if you do Laplace transform on the exponential function e to the power of at multiplied by ft, you will have capital F, then s minus a. So you're doing a shift in the s space by a unit. For t-shift, which you do the shift in the t space, you have Laplace transform the function lowercase f t minus a multiplied by another function u t minus a that equals to e to the power of minus as, then fs. One thing I'd like to draw your attention to is the t-shift does not only happen within the lowercase ft, it also happens in the ut. Ut is a special function called the unit step function. If we write down u t minus a, it can be expressed as the function equals to 0 if t is less than a, and the function is equal to 1 if t is greater than a. We can also draw how this unit step function looks like. Notice the transition happens at t equals to a. Some additional information about the unit step function. If we perform Laplace transform on u t minus a, we'll have e to the power of minus as over s. Let's look at one example how we can use t-shift in Laplace transform. So in this signal here, we start from 0 and it stayed at 0 until t is equal to 2. At t equals to 2, we have an abrupt change and the signal follows the cosine wave. And we want to get the Laplace transform of the signal above. If we have a close look at the signal above, it's a product of two functions. One of them is the unit step function, and the transition is at 2. So we know the unit step function is u t minus 2. Then the rest of the curve is a cosine wave, but it's not a regular cosine wave. It's being shifted by 2 units as well. So it's cosine t minus 2. Now we're ready to do t-shift in the Laplace transform. What we have is e to the power of minus as, where a is equal to 2. Then we have e to the power of minus 2s. Then capital Fs is just Laplace transform of cosine t. This is the cosine before the t-shift. The rest is easy. We know from the Laplace transform table, Laplace transform of cosine t is simply s over s squared plus 1. And you can easily get the final solution. In this video, you have seen a very simple example of t-shift in Laplace transform. In the next video, we'll look at one slightly more complicated example in the step function and t-shift.